Onyonka awe ngora yaye ga kole ko ngora yaye amwaliganie gavana ya Kisii His Excellency Simbarati Piamon.
Mheshimiwa Onchoke, I want to say that Rona Rodrenga Kerasi na okiama chiko konga kile waitira mote. Ese gavana ne Simba abana ni mwensi mora. Your Lordship, Father, abadawa mora ekwaya mbwade kiro kukomijeno. Abana ni bonsi pe. Ningependa kwanza kuambia familia ya mzee Opore kuwa nimekuja hapa kwangu binafsi kama senator wa Kisii County na kijana wa mzee Onyonka ambaye alikuwa rafiki wa mzee Opore. Kwa hivyo naleta rambirambi zangu. Mama, tunajuana, I know all of you. I want to plead with you. I'm on my knees. There's nobody who's gonna love you. You must learn to love yourself. And you must learn to forgive each other. That is how you survive when you are without parents. I really plead with you. Our fathers died and we're orphans. But you try, and I beg you, use the church, keep talking. You are all smart. I know all of you. Mateme mwisike mulende yeta yumakoyo. Elendo yakabere. Elasiane is very simple. Bavana, lero tinugo criticize. Kegara negotiate. Elendo yoganta que tengo todavía. Emiaka una banda te va a neringir. Aitata kuna ma kolega si egasi aje korrekana. We will work with you. You win a second term. We have no issue. You know you are my friend. I criticize you, but I don't hate you. There's a difference, you know. I'm sure you know. Number two, tonga teba umbati jua. Gavana naye no kwale, Steve naye kwale ngo. Ekeremo achieto kaka mega, ruta wateba nge hapo cheiwe. Karinche na tenetenda matebi to wasawa kule hapo jiyo. Uwa kaneke. Your Excellency Opore, wakwandile kurunyamira, wakwandile amalana, noyo ndo kwandile soma member. Onyeke, thank you my brother for talking about Kenya una ya beile. Kenya teribuya. Kenya teribuya. Gavana, oye uto wada, motabi vitu kwa ground. Sinaibuta. Wasema no? Yawewezo. Intwe, mwanya wetinge, kirabona kutele ranega. Inche kola sororuna sivu ateba, na esio kinyuri okwanile. Baba boli motache tiamo mwabana abamo, mwanchane, mwanye kwabrana, musikane, tonyore nyondeye mo, togende tulijubu bandu mwenseye, mwoko nyara. Embura, tada aye inuwa limoro UDA tigarabo, walibaro BMT,
itungo chaka turucha sandu ekialera Your Excellency Governor, you saw what you have taken got a very good day. Umwaka wakera umufinyake. Madebi Onyonka Okana, to chief to minister, to chief to PS, to chief Bona, you mufinya, and Chelsea Kura. I want to say finally to Spade to Anjane. Yasaba sefeke omwako oyo ngakole campaign kurerande fada tuandere katenchi inchi mawapore tuwabu uchukura Bomchari myaka ebiri yabiri tigandere utwale n'omuntu omuya akaleta kipara kilomita 80 yasaba sesemi asesemi abari muri ebicembere bya mono. Your Excellency, come and talk.